Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I want to show y'all this awesome DVD I got today. Teaches you how to instantly solve Rubik's Cubes. I really like the artwork and all. Super awesome case. The DVD inside also contains great content. One thing I did not expect about this DVD though. It contains an actual Rubik's Cube inside. Wow! As you can see here, the cube is totally unsolved on all sides. At first I was examining the cube all around. How am I going to solve it? It's all scrambled, mixed up. But the people in the DVD told me, if you just concentrate for a moment, imagine it solved and focus, in a few seconds, you can solve it. Wow! Now it's solved. All organized. Awesome. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed.